Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to replace the cabin filter in a 2011 Subaru Legacy 3.6. First, go to the passenger side and open the glove box. Now let's remove all the items out of the glove box. Now, on the left side of the glove box, try to pop the pin out of the slot. Now to pop the pin on the right side of the glove box, you might need either a flathead screwdriver or maybe a small pry bar. Next, with the flathead screwdriver or the pry bar, try to pop the pin on the right side of the glove box. With the glove box out of the way, you now have access to the cabin filter. Before removing the cabin filter cover, notice which way the arrow is pointing to indicate which way the airflow goes. To remove the cover, squeeze both tabs on one side, then do the same thing on the other side of the cover. Once removing the cover, you can now see the cabin filter. Let's now remove the cabin filter. For this vehicle, we're going to be using a cabin filter made from STP. Now, before installing the cabin filter, look on the cabin filter to see the indication of which way the airflow is supposed to go. The arrow on this cabin filter has to be pointing the same way that the cabin filter cover was indicating. If we recall, the cabin filter cover was pointing upwards, so I'm going to have to flip this cabin filter over, that way the arrow is pointing up. Once the arrow is pointing up, let's install the filter. Once the cabin filter is installed, we can now reinstall the cabin filter cover. Again, make sure that the cover is placed the same way you removed it. We will reinstall the glove box, but before so, make sure that the dampener on the right side of the glove box is installed in its right location. Once the dampener is in its proper location, the glove box should be ready to close. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and comment below. I'd like to know how you guys made out replacing your cabin filter. Thanks.